Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is September 9th, 2025, and we're diving into Korn Ferry's first quarter fiscal 2026 earnings report. Korn Ferry, a global consulting firm, has just released its latest financial results. Joining us today is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Korn Ferry's latest earnings report provides a comprehensive look at their performance, and I'm excited to break it down with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Korn Ferry reported a fee revenue of $708.6 million for Q1 FY2026, which is a 5% increase year over year. John, can you elaborate on this growth?
Absolutely. The fee revenue growth was driven by increases across all solutions, particularly in professional search and interim, which saw a 10% increase, and executive search, which grew by 8%. This indicates strong demand for Korn Ferry's services despite economic uncertainties.
And what about profitability?
Korn Ferry's net income rose to $66.6 million, a 6% increase year over year, with a margin of 9.4%. Adjusted EBITDA also saw an 8% increase to $120.4 million, reflecting effective cost management and operational efficiencies.
Earnings per share analysis. Now let's talk about earnings per share. Korn Ferry reported an adjusted EPS of $1.31, beating the analyst's forecast of $1.24. What does this tell us, John?
This is a significant beat, with the adjusted EPS growing by 11% year over year. It highlights Korn Ferry's ability to exceed market expectations, driven by their strategic initiatives and strong execution across various segments.
How many analysts were surveyed for this forecast?
There were 2 analysts surveyed, which makes this beat even more impressive given the limited consensus.
Strategic initiatives and market position. John, Korn Ferry's CEO Gary Burnison, mentioned that their strategy is working well. Can you provide more insights into their strategic initiatives?
Certainly. Korn Ferry is focusing on a sophisticated, holistic approach that leverages their expertise and robust intellectual property. Their diversification strategy, which includes expanding their global reach and enhancing their service offerings, is a key driver of their success.
They also repurchased 145,770 shares during the quarter. How does this impact their market position?
Share repurchases are a positive signal to the market, indicating confidence in the company's future prospects. It also helps in enhancing shareholder value by reducing the number of outstanding shares.
Future outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, Korn Ferry has provided guidance for the next quarter. What are the key figures here, John?
For Q2 FY2026, Korn Ferry expects fee revenue to be between $690 million and $710 million. They also project diluted EPS to range from $1.10 to $1.06, with adjusted EPS expected between $1.23 and $1.33. These figures assume steady market conditions.
What does this guidance suggest about their future performance?
The guidance reflects cautious optimism. Korn Ferry is positioning itself to navigate potential market fluctuations while continuing to capitalize on growth opportunities in their core areas.
Key takeaways. In summary, Korn Ferry has delivered a strong performance in Q1 FY2026, with notable revenue growth and an EPS beat. Their strategic initiatives and global reach are clearly paying off. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
Korn Ferry's consistent performance and strategic focus make it an attractive investment, especially for those looking for exposure to the consulting sector. Their ability to adapt and grow in a challenging environment is commendable.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Korn Ferry's performance in the comments below. Until next time.